On April 9th, we were hit by an uninsured driver. You would think that because we have insurance for uninsured driving, this wouldn't be a problem. For the last 2 weeks, we have spent numerous hours on the phone trying to figure out what's going to happen because the kid who hit us gave the officer false information on insurance, and we tried to file on it, and they have 40 days to decide if they're going to take the claim. We are praying that my van will be totaled because right now the estimates are at $22,000 to fix my van, and it could take up to 6 months for all the parts to come in so they can fix the van. That means 6 months without going on adventures with Ben and our family. That means 6 months without being able to take my son's power chair with us. This isn't okay. That is us in the white van. As you can see, our light is red. We are waiting. The light turns green. She waits a second, and then she goes. As you can see, that yellow car is speeding and runs into the side of us. There were 2 people at the light that had dash cams, and so here's another angle of the accident. I just want to remind y'all to be careful out there on the road and live life to the fullest, and when there's hiccups along the way, just keep on trucking and doing the best you can. We're going to get through this, and we know that God's got this, and everything's going to be okay. We're thankful that we weren't hurt. We were just sore for a few days, and it could have been a lot worse.